In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant. The following components are required to run this program: DirectX Runtime Error. First thing you want to do is go to CMD, and then run as administrator. Here you'll type two commands: dism /online, clean up image, restore health, and then press enter. And then the second command, sfc/scan now. And then you're gonna wait, and once it's done, you can close it down. Go to services, search for VGC, click on it, select automatic, click apply, OK, click start, click apply, and then OK. Next thing you want to do, go to Google. Now here, type in DirectX user and runtime download. Go to this website, and then you will download the DirectX web installer. So click download, and then run the installer. Just run it normally and install DirectX. And once you do so, you want to restart your computer, and this should hopefully fix the error.